When we started, we're not the first in the market na nag-offer ng barley grass. I think when we started, there were 2 players yata in the market, 2 or 3 players. Yun nga lang talagang, I believe there's the power of being the first, di ba? Pero when you say first, it's not the first to launch, but first who will make the product known. So may naunang 2, 3, but when we started barley in the market, we wanted to make it sure that this will grow globally. Siguro highlight ko na rin, hindi ko naman makalimutan itong taon to, di ba? Although he passed away already several years ago. We're already growing 2008, 2009. And comes April Boy Regino. April Boy Regino, ang kwento niya, he's from the US, he went back to the Philippines, may dalang cancer. Pero whenever he was interviewed na, may cancer ka pala. Yes, pero gumaling na ako because of Sante barley. And it became parang one of the reasons why Sante grow tremendously. Nakilalang barley grass ton. So the goal of the company, sige, April Boy story, good. We love April Boy. He's part of the company for how many years also. And we've decided na let's shift sana. Barley shouldn't be known only for people who are sick. Let's focus it to health and wellness. And then came Kuya Kim. And Kuya Kim, from that time until now, he's our hindi na endorser tawag namin sa kanya, so very part of the team really. So we made it sure that we continuously innovate, develop new strategies in marketing the product. I always believe in the saying that if you don't innovate in any kind of business, you will evaporate. From day one, there's a lot of innovations that happen in Sante. Coming from a company buying products to now the companies manufacturing the products, from being focused on just the Filipino community by growing the business globally. There's a lot of players right now and I'm excited with them, but the goal of Sante is to continuously develop our brand, continuously build our image that we're a company who's a strong player when it comes to barley grass. And I think it will stay the same in the next coming years. So we're preparing not for next year, we're preparing for the next 10, 20, 30 years. With barley as the flagship product for now, but you'll never know. Because very soon, Sante might be able to create the next champion product.
But personal, sir, why barley?
Why barley grass?
What convinced you, sir?
Ang kwento dito is so simple. I think Jun Francisco is there, no? Si Jun, right? Si Jun Francisco, one of our top leaders in Sante, he's pinaka-senior sa Sante yan, together with Joel. He together with another person, is very instrumental in bringing barley grass because before, we're into another business eh. And Jun was telling me, sir, there's this good product called barley grass. There's a company marketing this product, kaya lang may kulang doon sa kumpanya. And he saw that, sir, kung tayo magmamarket itong produkto na to with your infrastructure, we can grow. So I was telling him, sige Jun, explore natin yan. So what I did is this. I asked my product development team to research on barley. Hindi ko alam ang barley. Pag sinabing barley before, ang alam ko pang beer. Barley, malt beer, yan eh. I have a product development team headed by si Ate Minette before. And pagdating ng research team, ito yung unang statement nila. Sir, bakit ngayon nyo lang nakita tong produktong to? The only vegetation on earth that can supply visuals work from birth to old age. It has all the complete vitamins. Ang ganda ng study. Sabi nila, bakit ngayon lang? Sabi ko, honestly, I don't know, may nag-recommend lang. So we started researching on barley grass and we realized that this is very powerful. Siyempre, negosyante tayo eh. Ang unang tinignan ko, sino na ba ang sikat sa barley sa buong mundo? Wala pa. There's no major player marketing barley grass in the globe. Ginagamit lang nila yung barley as an ingredient eh. Sabi ko, if there's no champion when it comes to barley grass in the globe, we can be that barley champion. We can grow this business. So I saw the opportunity that we will be the first ever company who will be able to make barley known not only in the Philippines but globally. It was just a dream that time. Could you imagine right now barley is, we wanted this to be a household brand. I think it's fast becoming a household brand. And the world can be Sante's playing field. And as the saying goes, the rest is history, di ba? Ito na yung barley ngayon. If you'll ask me, I believe that barley is the #1 food supplement in the country right now. With so many players, hindi naman lumilit ang Sante eh. Pero ang dami ng players ngayon. So baka lang, I don't have the statistics, barley might be the #1 food supplement in the country right now. how do we stay relevant? Number one, we're continuously innovating. Like our 18 years is very critical. We're about to launch the Sante Next AI. People are asking, ano yung Next AI? No, this is the, parang dalaga lang yan eh. After the debut, parang ready na siya to face the world. After 18 years of Sante, we're now ready to face the world market. So we're launching the Sante Next AI. This is the evolution of Sante. We're evolving in terms of infrastructure, in terms of product development, in terms of compensation plan. Itong mga to, hindi makatulog itong mga to. Because we're about to launch a new compensation program in Sante that will help them build the business globally. They will be dollar earners by next year while staying here in the Philippines because we're launching a global plan that will inspire not only Filipinos but people all over the globe. That's the evolution of Sante. More than the product, the evolution or the innovation when it comes to business. That's the reason why we know that we can attract more and more people. And pagpasok nila sa Sante, anong abutin nila dito? It's barley grass. So it's for us innovating not only in terms of the product line, but innovating in terms of technology, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of our management team. Wala nga yung HR head namin ngayon dito because right now we're attending an HR conference. Right now, parang awarding, we have 5 nominations. So we're continuously developing also our organization. We wanted to be the employer of choice. So ang priority namin ngayon is to build up the internal, di ba? The management team. Because we always believe that the rise and fall of any organization is within. Pag matibay yung loob, madaling tumibay yung labas. Pero kahit anong ganda ng produkto mo, kahit anong pogi at ganda ng mga distributors mo, if sablay ang nasa loob, nothing will happen. So that's our focus right now. Innovating when it comes to the internal, the external, and technology. And I think that's the way to go.